Well, elected leaders want the public to know Spokane's bioterrorism laboratory is at risk of closing. They say it plays a key role in health scares like the recent letters laced with the poison ricin. KREM6
Sean Chitness joins us now live tonight with why supporters say having that lab here makes a big difference.
Randy and Jane, health experts say they need all the time they can get to protect the public from any potential chemical threats. Local leaders from our area say they need more funding to keep the bioterrorism lab in our area open and help evaluate those threats quicker. Threatening letters containing ricin were sent to the downtown Spokane post office. Investigators in hazmat suits went through a Browns Edition apartment a few days later. The initial results showing the letters tested positive for the deadly poison came from the bioterrorism laboratory in Spokane.
Certainly from a public health perspective, this delay would have made it very challenging to manage the concerns and of those who were potentially exposed to this agent.
Staff with the regional health district say results for those letters could have been delayed as much as 10 hours if they didn't have the lab. It's one of only 2 in the state. The substance would need to be transported by air or by car to Western Washington. City and state leaders at a news conference today said they're running out of federal funding for the lab and need to find more local dollars to keep the place open. Sheriff Ozzie Knezovich was also there to emphasize the impact it has on public safety.
If you have an incident where you have a possible exposure, minutes and hours count.
Supporters of the lab say if it closes, the cost to send any substance for testing will be a new expense local agencies can't afford to pay for. Live in the studio tonight, Sean Chitness, KREM 2 News.
And now.